Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMC's YouTube channel. Today here we are gathered to learn how to write the alphabets. बच्चों के आप अल्फ़ाबेट्स जानते हैं A to Z, लेकिन उनके लिखने के ढंग और तरीके से उनके स्ट्रोक से आप नावाकिफ होंगे। तो आज हम सीखेंगे कि अल्फ़ाबेट्स किस तरह लिखे जाते हैं। So let's start how to write alphabets. Now here, children, there are two types of alphabets. Capital letters and small letters. There are two types of alphabets, capital letters and small letters. So today we will learn both of these. हम दोनों भी सीखेंगे आज। अब इसके सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि इनके बेसिक शेप्स क्या हैं। कौन से शेप्स हैं जो कंटिन्यू रिपीट होंगे जब हम A to Z लिखेंगे तब। तो चलिए हम इसके बेसिक शेप्स देख लेते हैं। सबसे पहले एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन ये होती है, देन स्लीपिंग लाइन, ये भी अल्फाबेट्स में बार बार आती है। स्लैंटिंग लाइन जो कि तिरछी होती है, इट में बी राइट और लेफ्ट टू, या तो ये राइट में होती है या लेफ्ट में होती है। देन और सेमी सर्कल और हाफ सर्कल या आधा गोल जिसे हम कहते हैं, और एक टोटली फुल सर्कल। ये अंग्रेजी लिखने के या अल्फाबेट्स लिखने के बेसिक शेप्स हैं। देखिए हम फिर से रिपीट करते हैं। स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट, स्लैंटिंग लाइन टुवर्ड्स राइट, सेमी सर्कल और हाफ सर्कल एंड फुल सर्कल। तो चलिए हम अभी इन शेप्स की मदद से A to Z लिखना सीखते हैं। सबसे पहले हम A लिखेंगे। A लिखने के लिए slanting line towards left, then slanting line towards right, then in the middle of these two slanting line join a sleeping line like this. It becomes A. I am repeating again. I am repeating again. It is A. Then its small version is simply draw a half circle like this and draw a standing line with a nice curve. एक अच्छी सी कर्व के साथ हम इसको एंड करेंगे। A, 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 इस तरह हम A लिखेंगे। ये हो गया A लिखना। नेक्स्ट B, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, and from the top of this standing line draw a two semicircle like this. It is B. It is B. Standing line, semicircle like this, B. And its small letter is standing line, and from the middle of this standing line draw a semicircle like this. It becomes small b. It becomes small b. Then C. C is totally in a shape of half circle like this only. It is C. And its small letter is mostly like this, C. Then D. Standing line. Then from the top to the bottom draw a semicircle like this. It becomes D. Its small letter is draw a half circle like this, and from the like this, it becomes D. Semicircle, then join this semicircle with a standing line like this, it becomes D. Then E. Standing line, at the top draw a sleeping line, at the middle draw a sleeping line, and then at the end draw a sleeping line. It becomes E. I'm repeating. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. It is a right way to write E. Then its small letter is draw a nice oval shape round like this and extend this like this. Extend this like this. इसको इस तरह से बढ़ा देंगे. It is look like a full circle, but it is in oval shape, and draw a lines like this. It becomes E. Then F. F is mostly like E. Draw a standing line. At the top draw a sleeping line, and at the middle draw a sleeping line. It is F. Then its small letter is draw a standing line with a nice curve like this. जिसे हम दादाजी का डंडा कहते हैं ना, वही है ये. And draw a sleeping line across this standing line like this. It becomes F. F. Then next G. Draw a semicircle. Then draw a standing line like this. And draw a sleeping line at the top of this standing line. It is G. I'm repeating again. Draw a semicircle like this. Then draw a standing line like this. And at the top, draw a sleeping line like this. It is G. And its small letter is draw a circle. Easily draw a circle. Then draw a standing line towards below and nice curve. G. हम लोग फिर से देखते हैं. Half circle, standing line, sleeping line. It is G. Then draw a circle like this and draw a standing line and end it with a nice curve like this. It is G. Just look at my strokes, how I'm writing. It is G. Next, H. H is very simple. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. It is H. And when we write a small h, simply we draw a standing line and and draw a nice curve like this. H. H. It is H. Next, I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Very simple. And its small letter is draw a standing line and put a dot at the bottom of this standing line. I. Next, J. Draw a standing line with a nice curve and draw a sleeping line at the at the top of this standing line. J. and its small letter is, draw a standing line below these edges and put a dot at the top. J. Next, K. Standing line and draw a slanting line towards the left and draw again a slanting line towards the right. राइट की तरफ एक और लेफ्ट की तरफ एक स्लैंटिंग लाइन हम बनाएंगे. इसका स्मॉल लेटर भी इसी तरह लिखा जाएगा, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, एंड फ्रॉम द मिडल ड्रॉ अ slanting line like this and draw a slanting line towards the right. K. Next, L. Standing line and draw a sleeping line. L. Small L, only a standing line is there. L. M. Standing line, sleeping line towards right, then slanting line towards right, left, then draw a standing line. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, then standing line. It is M. Its small letter is standing line, nice curve, and draw a nice curve. It is M. I am repeating, standing line, nice curve, and draw again a curve. Standing line with a standing line. M. N. Standing line, slanting line, and standing line. N. And its small letter is like this. N. 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 O. O is simply in a round shape. O. It is O. 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 And its small letter is like this. O. P. Standing line and draw a semicircle from the top to middle like this. P. Standing line and draw a semicircle like this. P. And its small letter is B. Go to below the line. Standing line and draw a semicircle like this. P का जो लेटर है उसका आधा हिस्सा नीचे होता है. P. Q. Q is simply like O. It is O and draw a slanting line towards the right. It is Q. 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 It is Q. Then its small letter is, draw a circle like this and standing line with a hook like shape. Q. R. Standing line and draw a semicircle like this, and at the end point of semicircle draw a slanting line like this. It becomes R. And its small letter is standing line and draw a this type of shape, it becomes R. Next, S. S is totally in a two types of semicircle which are opposite like this. First semicircle, then second semicircle. S. 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 And a small letter is S. T. Sleeping line and from the middle draw a standing line. It becomes T. Then its small letter is standing line with a curve and at the middle draw a sleeping line like this. It becomes T. U. U is like this. U. U. And its small letter is like this U. V. Slanting line towards right and then slanting line towards left. The shape will be V, and its small letter is also like a capital letter but in a small size. V. W, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. It is W, and its small letter is also like this: slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, and slanting line. W. X. Draw a slanting line towards left and draw a slanting line towards right, but across the first slanting line. इसको दूसरी जो हमने स्लैंटिंग, पहली जो स्लैंटिंग लाइन हमने खींची थी उसको कटा करते हुए आगे बढ़ाना है. ये हो जाएगा हमारा x. बिल्कुल इसी तरह इसका स्मॉल वर्जन भी है x. नेक्स्ट है y. y के लिए slanting line, and when the two slanting lines are made, draw a standing line like this. It becomes y. I'm repeating: slanting line, then draw a standing line, y. And its small letter is slanting line, and draw the other slanting line below the edge. ये जो हमारी edge है, ये जो हमारा लाइन है, इसके नीचे तक हमको इसको खींचना है. Slanting line and slanting line, slanting line and slanting line like this. Y. Y. Z, sleeping line, slanting line towards left, then sleeping line towards right. It is Z, and its small letter is also like this, Z. So by this way, student, you can write easily or in a right way A to Z. Just remind it in your minds, and your homework is to write it twice or thrice at your home. Thank you.